everyone, in today's video I want to show you a way of making money online writing articles that you haven't written yourself. So there's a little bit of a trick into it and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Let's go. So first thing you want to do, you want to get your articles in Google News. Very simple. You can switch the country on the side here and put the news for your particular country. You have different topics here, and all these articles are going to be trendy. So they're trending at the moment. So you have science, sports, entertainment, technology. It's really broad. As you can see, you can really find something for any topic you want, really. So this is where you'll find your articles. Next thing you want to do, you want to go to this website called textbroker.com. So here you go there, and I will show you. So with this website, you can write articles and make money of it. So you want to see like write content, payments, and I'll show you how it works. So let's say you write quality, let's put good, right? Great quality. So you want to write 1,000 words, you can potentially make $55. It's in USD. And I mean, you can do like smaller articles if you want. As you can see, you just change the number of words, and that will tell you approximately how much you can make per article. So yeah, feel free to go to that website, textbroker.com, and sign up, and then let me show you how you can write your articles without even really writing the articles. Okay, so for the writing part, you want to go to a website called Spinbot. So Spinbot is an AI tool that will rewrite an article for you, but it's going to change all the words. So that article, it's going to be all yours. And you can change it up if you want. I mean, of course, you need to read the article and change up what you need to change. If it doesn't really sound good to you, change a little bit, but it's going to give you a real good basis that you can switch. So let's say you wanna write an article about NASA. So here you go, NASA's mega moon rocket, blah blah blah. Let's take this first part, copy, and you're just gonna paste it here, and you'll click this arrow button and spin it. You're gonna want to put that here for the verification, and here we go. Here you can see you have an article that's changed. See, it's been nearly 50 years since humans and so on, and here it's been almost a long time since blah blah blah. So here you go, the article is all changed, and you can submit it in your website textbroker.com and get paid for this article. That's like, I mean, I didn't put the entire article, of course, but you see it's pretty long, so I'm sure you can get at least 1,000 words for this one. So that's one way of doing it. The second way of doing it is going to be to go on a website called, this website. You have Fiverr. Yeah, Fiverr.com. You also have Upwork.com. You have different websites where you can offer your services, and you can offer to write articles. So let me show you how. Let me log in. So here I'm on Fiverr.com, and you'll go here, writing and translation, articles and blog posts, sorry. And there you go. I will write an original article on health and fitness. It's got a lot of customers, obviously, and is charging $39.73. That's the starting cost, right? So let's go check it out. And here, you have all the details or what is offering, but pretty much, 500 words, $40, right? So let's put like 1,000 words. $79. So the potential is huge. That's just one person. Obviously, you have a lot more persons offering this service with different prices. But most of the time, I mean, you need to consider that people, they want to have their product fast, right? So like if you can be faster than these other people to deliver your service, you're probably gonna get, you know, a lot of good reviews, and you're probably gonna get a lot more customers as well. So you can see, you can, I mean, you can see that the prices are, they vary a lot, I guess, depending on the quality as well. But that's a good, I mean, that's a good way of doing it. You can check out Upwork as well. And yeah, so that's another method. And then I want to show you another website where you can find different websites that will let you write articles. So it's called, you want to go to Money Pantry. Money Pantry, and here you have a section. Okay, so we're in moneypantry.com. And here you have different, they're going to give you like different websites where you can write articles and be paid for it. So you need to click on some of them. I mean, I checked, and some of them were not actually taking writers. So you'll have to check them out. But see, this is like, what's that about? Living abroad. So, yeah, you'll have to write articles. I think this one is working, but you have some of them that do not work. So just like check them out, and it gives you the average price per post. So, yeah, like motorhome, $900 per post. If you want to write about the topic, let's see if it actually does work. Let's see if it's working. Let's click on it, and it doesn't seem like this one is taking us anywhere. Anyways, but yeah, check them out. And yeah, you will find some that are working. I found some that were working actually. Let me see if I can find them now. There was one that was, okay, let's go all the way down because it's, as you can see, it is categorized. So this is about lifestyle. New York Times. I mean, here you go. No, I don't want to subscribe. No, I don't want to subscribe. So let's get out. But yeah, so Ferment Life, maybe we'll find something here. No, there you go. This one doesn't work. But check them out. There are a ton of websites on this Money Pantry. So just go to a topic that's interesting to you, and that's that. So that's another way of writing articles and make money for it. And again, you know, just go to Google News, get some articles there. You can go to other sources to find your articles as well, and put them on Spinbot. If you're not talented at writing, really, just use like an AI like Spinbot. It's free, totally free. So you just can put your article here, your original article, and just, you know, read this one. And if it doesn't sound good, I'm sure it's going to sound great. So that's already like a 867 words article. So if it doesn't sound good, just change up some words. You can do it. So that's that for how to make money with articles without writing them. So I hope this video was helpful for some of you guys. If it was, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate if you did that. That's gonna help the algorithm to push my content. I'm fairly new at YouTube, so that will really help. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.